why English is important and how to practice it every day. English is one of the most spoken and useful languages in the world. It is the official language of more than 50 countries and is widely used in international business, science, education, and travel. If you can speak English well, you will have more opportunities to study in other countries, get better jobs, and connect with people from all over the world. That is why millions of people are learning English every day. But learning a new language can be difficult if you don't have the right habits or motivation. The good news is you don't need to be perfect to speak English. You just need to practice a little bit every day. Even if you only spend 10 to 15 minutes each day, you can make great progress over time. The most important thing is to make English a part of your daily life. One simple way to practice is by learning new vocabulary every day. Start with 5 words a day. Write them down in a notebook. Learn their meanings, pronunciation, and how to use them in a sentence. For example, if you learn the word friendly, try to make a sentence like, "My neighbor is very friendly." This will help you remember the word better. After 1 month, you'll know over 150 new words. Another great way to improve is by watching English content. Try to watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos with subtitles. At first, use subtitles in your own language. Later, switch to English subtitles. Finally, try watching without any subtitles at all. This helps your brain get used to the natural sound and speed of English. Listening often is the key to understanding real English. Speaking is just as important as listening. Try to speak in English every day, even if you're alone. Talk about your day in front of a mirror or record your voice. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are good because they help you learn. You can also join online English groups or language exchange chats to talk with other learners. Reading helps your vocabulary grow fast. You don't need to read big books. Start with simple English stories, short articles, or daily news websites like VOA Learning English or BBC Learning English. Read slowly, and when you see a new word, stop and look it up. Then read the sentence again to understand it better. Writing is also a powerful tool to learn English. Every day, write 5 to 6 sentences about your life, dreams, or plans. You can keep a simple diary in English. For example, you can write, "Today I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast and went to school. I learned about science and played football." This improves grammar, spelling, and thinking in English. Don't forget to stay motivated. Sometimes you will feel lazy or tired. That's normal. Just remember why you started learning English. Maybe it's for a job, for travel, or just to connect with more people. Keep your goals in your mind and celebrate small wins. Even if you learn one new word today, that's success. You can also use English learning apps like Duolingo, Hello English, or Memrise. These apps are free and can help you practice vocabulary, grammar, and speaking. Set a small goal to complete one lesson every day. It takes just 5 to 10 minutes and keeps your habits strong. In the end, the most important thing is consistency. If you practice English every day, even a little bit, you will become better. Speak, listen, read, write. All of these help you improve step by step. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be patient and keep going. English is a tool to connect with the world, and you're already on the right path by learning it. Keep practicing, stay positive, and soon you will be able to speak English fluently and confidently.